Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into what's really going on with Ethereum, because there's a lot happening behind the scenes, from billion-dollar buys by big institutions to ETF outflows, governance drama, and even new cybersecurity threats. Ethereum is at a critical point right now. If you find this kind of content valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Let's start with the big money moves. Institutions are quietly loading up on Ethereum. SharpLink Gaming recently added almost 19,000 ETH, worth about $79 million USD, bringing its total holdings to nearly 860,000 ETH. Even more impressive, BitMine Immersion Technologies reportedly bought $250 million worth of ETH, bringing its stash to over 3.3 million tokens, which is roughly 2.7% of the entire Ethereum supply. That's massive. These buys show that major players still believe Ethereum is undervalued, possibly setting up for a long-term rally. But it's not all bullish news. We're seeing large outflows from Ethereum ETFs, with over $145 million pulled in a single day, the third straight day of net outflows. Some reports even show asset managers like BlackRock transferring Ethereum out of custody wallets, possibly for redemptions. This could mean short-term caution or profit-taking by investors who bought earlier in the year. So while whales are stacking, traditional institutions might be cooling off, a sign of mixed sentiment in the market. Now let's talk about the internal tension inside the Ethereum ecosystem. A core developer recently warned that venture funds like Paradigm might be gaining too much influence, calling it a potential tail risk to decentralization. At the same time, Polygon's co-founder, Sandeep Nailwal, publicly vented frustration with his loyalty toward Ethereum, stirring up debates about whether the Ethereum Foundation is losing touch with its builders. And there's a security angle too. Cybersecurity researchers just uncovered a new method called Ether hiding, where North Korean hackers embed malware directly inside Ethereum smart contracts. This technique hides malicious JavaScript inside the blockchain itself, making it very hard to remove once deployed. It's not a protocol flaw in Ethereum, but it shows how powerful and dangerous blockchain tech can be when weaponized. So, where does that leave us? Ethereum's price is hovering around $3,800 to $4,000, facing resistance near $4,250. If ETH can hold above $3,800 and ETF flows turn positive again, we could see another leg up, but if support breaks, a correction could follow. Either way, the next few weeks will be critical for Ethereum's direction. What do you think? Is this accumulation before liftoff, or the calm before another dip? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, please subscribe to the channel, drop a like, and share it with someone who's watching the crypto market closely. See you in the next one.